So you're looking for a drone that can capture stunning aerial footage, right? And you've probably heard of the Holy Stone HS900. It's a great option for adults and creators. This thing is a beast, with some amazing features that make it perfect for aerial shooting. It's the Holy Stone HS900 drone, a high-end device designed to help you take your footage to the next level. It's a drone that's packed with features, and I'm excited to share them with you. So let's dive in. The Holy Stone HS900 has an 8K photo resolution of 48 MP, which is incredible, and it can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second with a Sony 1/2.3 in CMOS and f/2.6 lens, which is great for capturing smooth footage. It also has a flight time of 60 minutes, which is plenty of time to get the shots you need, and a long range of 20,000 feet, so you can fly it pretty far away. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures your footage is always smooth, and it's lightweight, weighing in at 249 g, making it FAA compliant. One of the standout features of this drone is its long battery life, which allows you to fly for quite a while before needing to recharge. Additionally, the drone comes with a GPS system, which helps with navigation and stability, even in windy conditions. The Holy Stone HS900 also has a return-to-home feature, which allows the drone to automatically return to its starting point if the battery runs low or if you lose control. I've had the chance to use it in real-world scenarios, and I have to say, it's a game-changer. The footage is amazing. Whether you're shooting landscapes or just wanting to get some cool aerial shots, this drone is perfect. For example, I was filming a music video on a beach, and the Holy Stone HS900 allowed me to capture some incredible aerial shots of the waves and the sunset. The footage was so smooth and stable, it looked like it was shot by a professional. The drone also has a built-in Wi-Fi system, which allows you to connect your smartphone or tablet to the drone and view the footage in real time. This is great for getting an idea of what the drone is capturing, and it also allows you to control the drone remotely using the app. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Holy Stone HS900. It's a solid 8 out of 10. The features are great, and it's easy to use. I think it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you're serious about aerial photography. The Holy Stone HS900 is also a great option for people who are just starting out with drone photography, as it's relatively affordable and comes with a lot of features that make it easy to use. Additionally, the drone comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. So, if you like this review, please like and subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll be reviewing more drones and tech gadgets in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The Holy Stone HS900 is a great drone, and I'm sure you'll love it. It's a great investment for any creator or adult looking to take their aerial footage to the next level. With its amazing features and ease of use, it's a must-have for anyone serious about aerial photography, so go check it out.